Now we will show you how to clean the unit with e-cleaner. E-cleaning is to remove the calcium stuck to the inside of the unit. Repeat this procedure once every 1 to 2 weeks. E-cleaning takes about 3 hours. Prepare the displayed items. Turn off the faucet and shut down the unit beforehand. To begin cleaning. The remaining process time will be displayed on the screen. Please do not touch the unit and wait until cleaning is finished. For more details, please contact your dealer or any of our offices on the list.